Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. Now the most notable features on this XLE is its power moonroof. You have your heated front seats as well as your backup camera. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and inside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna Hybrid XLE. Let's get started. Now a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this XLE is its daytime running lights, and then if we take a closer look just over on the side, you have your 17-inch aluminum alloy wheels. You also have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. Taking a look on the inside of the mirror, you're going to find your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now with that indicator, it'll actually light up just underneath. There is another vehicle right beside you. Now, one of the nice things is that you actually have the kick assist power sliding doors. So if you actually just kick underneath where that sensor is located, it'll be able to open up the sliding doors for you automatically. Now, as you can see, you have the sunshade visors located in the second row windows. You have 3 additional seats in the second row. And with that middle seat, you can actually have it removed and actually stored in the rear cargo space, and I'll show you that a little bit later on here. To make things a little bit easier for people who actually have a hard time getting into the vehicle, you have this handle that's actually on the side here, and then you'll find the close button just located underneath it. So all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically. Now you can also use the kick assist feature, or you can just pull on the handle once on the outside of the door and it will close for you automatically. Now the color we're going to be taking a look at today is blue, and taking a closer look now at the front dash as well as the front seats. You have your gray interior with your power driver's seat with lumbar support, automatic high beams, as well as your traction control on and off, heated steering wheel, and then on the inside of the driver's side door, mirror controls, window locks, power locks, and window controls. Now a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your scroll function, Bluetooth connectivity, voice recognition, volume control, as well as the lane departure alert, seek function, and then the other nice thing is that you do have a push button start. So all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. And taking a look at the multi-informational display, you'll see a couple of different features on here. So as you can see, you have a digital speedometer as well as a distance to empty, fuel economy. You can also go through and take a look at your lane departure alert, audio, trip info, energy monitor with the tire pressure monitoring as well. Settings menu with the lane trace assist, pre-collision system, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, and a couple of other additional features, and you'll finish with your messages menu. Now you'll also have an exterior temperature gauge as well as a digital clock. And then taking a look at the center dash area, if you go inside the menu screen, you'll find your audio phone apps as well as a couple of other additional features. Now with that, the apps menu offers you a couple of other additional features. So as long as you have the Entune app suite on your phone, you can use such apps as the Scout GPS app, which allows you to stream your music, or I should say your maps, from your phone onto the touch panel display. You can also check on local fuel prices or on the latest sports scores, just depending on what your preferences are. Now, you do have the Sirius XM satellite radio over on the side here as well. Sorry about that. Temperature controls just located down below with your heated seat controls for your driver and your passenger. You also have the USB just located on this shelf that's located just on the center dash area that goes from your driver to the passenger side, where you can place smaller items, and it's matted to a automatic transmission with your drive mode, EV mode. Now one of the nice things with this area here is that you can actually place your arm on here. In previous gen models this was actually open space right here, but the nice thing is you still have some available space to actually store some items underneath, with a power outlet as well. Now if you take a closer look up top, you have the auto dimming rear view mirror with your open and close for the power sliding rear doors, power lift gate, and open and close for the power moonroof as well with the SOS Safety Connect. Now taking a look at the backup camera, as you can see, you have those nice guiding lines, and they're making things much easier for you when you back into a stall. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate, now located just on the back. You'll find the backup camera just located over on the left-hand side, and the rear hatch release located just underneath. Now, closing in on the rear cargo space, as you can see, you have a 60-40 split for the third row, so in the event that you need the additional cargo space or additional occupants in the back, it's available to you. Instructions are located on the back of the seat just in case you forget how the seats fold or unfold. But even with that 40 side down, you still have plenty of cargo space, and you have the option for the passenger capacity as well. Now this is where the middle seat from that second row is actually going to be stored. So if you're not actually using it, you can just place it over on the left hand side here. Or if you are using it, you can use it as additional cargo space for yourself. The other nice thing is that you do have a power adjustable tailgate, so if you hold down the button for approximately 2 seconds of the height you'd like it at, it'll beep a couple of times, and when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this height. However, if you want to reset the height for yourself, hold down the button for more than 4 seconds, it'll beep several times. Then when you close it and open it again, it'll open up to this maximum height. Now as you can see, it also offers you the kick assist feature. So if you just kick right underneath the rear bumper, it'll close the tailgate for you automatically, making things a lot easier for you, especially when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sbtoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.